Good evening, guys. This is me, Umar, and welcome you all once again into my channel, Tubers Vidsome. So, guys, in today's tutorial, all I'm going to do is that I'm going to be talking about, how to fix blurry images and how to convert them back to normal and improve the quality of the images. So, I'm going to go ahead and import the image as I usually do. I will import my image into the Photoshop. So to do that, I will just simply go ahead and press Control button. After that, I'll hold it and I'll press O. So a window will pop up. Another way to do the same process is that you come to the file, and from here you can open it up and you can choose your image wherever it is. For me, I have put the image into my desktop. That's what I usually do. There it is. So we have got our image, and we are almost at our work. I'm gonna make a duplicate layer, so I'll press Ctrl J. So a duplicate layer will be made, and after that I'll just simply go ahead to the filters. From the filters, I'll come to other, and after that I'll come here to the high pass, as you guys can see. So it's normally like this. I'll make it a more, guess it's perfect at 3.4. I'll make it 3.5, and I'll hit OK. After that, I'll simply come here, and from here I'll just choose the option which is overlay option, and I'll decrease the opacity of the image. So as you guys can see, the difference is this one is a little bit before, and if it doesn't work, I'll come here again. I'll go to the filters and I'll come to other and high pass. From here I'll just simply do that, hit OK, and again overlay, and I'll decrease the opacity of the image. And it didn't work. Make sure that you have a duplicate layer. Make a duplicate layer for the image, and again come to the, if it doesn't work, a duplicate layer, I'll come to filters, I'll come to other, high pass, and from here I'll simply make it at the radius of 1000, and from here I'll choose the overlay. So guys, as you guys can see, the differences between the images, as it is like this when I haven't edited the image. After I edited it, and then it got, it appeared to be like this. So if you want to decrease the opacity, you can choose this, but if I suggest you make it a 70, that'll be a bit better than it is 70, and decrease the fill as well, so the image will look a bit better than before. And we're gonna come here, and from here I'm gonna choose the curve section. Okay, that'll be a bit more better. I'll make it at the radius of If I make it auto, it will be like this, but that actually that doesn't matter. I'll come here and from simply grab this, I'll bring it down, and yep, I guess it's now perfect. And from here I'll come to the blue section again. I'll increase it a little bit, and after that I'll come to the green one and I'll increase this one as well, but don't mess with the red one because it's perfect for now. And I'll merge the images, Shift Control Alt E. That is it. I'll make the group. So guys, so there is the difference that you can see how the images are before and after. You know, this one is when I didn't edit the image. When I did the editing process, after it got like this. So there's a lot of improvement in the picture, as you guys can see. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Make sure to subscribe my channel if you haven't still subscribed it, and don't forget to like the video, share it if you agree, and share your thoughts into the comment box. I'll see you again. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.